Hello and welcome to this video in the Numpy section. Today we'll learn about performing searching and sorting operations on a Numpy array. So let us start. First of all, searching arrays. You can search an array for a certain value and return the indexes that get a match. So to do that, to search an array, use the where method. So we have a where method in Numpy. To search that, we can use a where method. So what it will do, here I have one array arr. Now we want to do that x equals to, we basically want to store the value that we are searching inside this new variable called x. Np dot where arr is equal to 4. So if you have a look very carefully on this array, 4 is present at 3 different positions. So the index starts at 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3, 5 and 6. So 4 is present at 3 different indexes. So what this will return, it will return an array of 3 indexes. So 3, 5, 6. So 3, 5, 6 and this will be stored into x. So basically what where method does, for example, if I, instead of writing 4, if I write 5 over here, so what I will get 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will return 4. That is the index of the position where the element 5 that I'm writing over here is present. That's very simple. So this is about where method that is used to perform search operation on a NumPy array. Now we have one more example. So in this example, what the question says, find indexes where the values are even. So this is a simple programming logic that we use to solve a lot of programming questions. So if we want to find the numbers that are even, so we just simply take mod 2 equals to 0. Every even number should is perfectly divisible by 2. So all the even numbers, all the indexes of the even elements, all the index positions of the even elements that are present inside this array will be returned and it will be stored. So this is another simple example. Now after learning about the where method and how to perform the search operation inside the NumPy array, now let's understand about sorting of NumPy arrays. So sorting means putting elements in an ordered sequence. Very simple. Ordered sequence is any sequence that has an order corresponding to elements like numeric or alphabetic. So we can perform a sorting on array containing numeric values or the alphabetic values, ascending, and we can also do the ascending or descending order. Now the NumPy nd array object has a function called sort. For to perform the search operation, we had this function called where. To perform sorting, we have this function called sort, and it will sort the specified array. Now let's take one simple example. I have one 1D array. It contains 4 elements. Now if we just want to sort this array, I have to simply call the sort function on this array, np.sort, and inside the sort function I have to give the name of the array that I want to sort. Fairly simple. Now for example, if I have a array containing alphabets, so if you observe the first letter of all the elements, apple, banana, cherry, so this has first letter as A, this is B and this is C. So it will be sorted in ABC fashion. So first we'll have apple, then we will have banana, and then we'll have cherry. So this is how sorting works on a alphabetic array. Now I'll hope that you are clear with the basic concepts. Now we'll move to the practical section and try to implement all the concepts that we have learned in the presentation. So let us see the practical examples of searching and sorting a NumPy array. First of all, let me import NumPy as np. Then I'll make one single array. A is equals to np dot array, and this will be 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 8, 5 and 10 and 20 and 1. So this is one NumPy array that I have made. Now x will be np dot where. Now we are using the where function to search the element. Now which array we want to search is the A. We are searching the elements from array A, and the value that we are looking for is, let's say, 1. So now the index position where 1 is present inside this array is stored inside this x, and if I just try to print the values of x, so 1 is present at the 0th index and 1 is again present at the 10th index. Now what I can do, y will be np dot where, and let's say a is equal to 4. So if I try to print the value of y is present on the fourth index. 4 is present on the fourth index. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 is present on the fourth index. So this is about the where function. Now let me show you one more example. If I want to do something like this, let's say ans is equal to np dot where and a %2 is equal to 0, and if I try to print ans, now I'm getting the index positions of all the elements that are even numbers, because even numbers will give remainder 0. Even numbers will give remainder 0 when you divide them by 2. Now let's perform a sorting operation. So to perform the sort operation, we just have to call a simple method np dot sort, and what this will do, let's pass a inside this np dot sort. Now the array is completely sorted in ascending order. Let me make a new array a2, and let me give np dot array, and I'll just give some random values 44, 12, 90, 76, and let's say 55. And then if I want to perform the sort operation on this array, so np dot sort, and I'll give a2 inside this np dot sort. Now this is again sorted. Now we'll also take a look at the example in which the array does not contain the numerical value. So I'll make a array a3 and np dot array, and let's say I have mango, and then I have let's say papaya, and then I have apple, and here I have orange. And if I want to sort this array, np dot sort, and I'll give a3. So as you can see, this is sorted based on the first letter, so a, m, o and p. So this is how searching and sorting works in a NumPy array. I hope you are very clear with this concept. Now let's move to the next video. Thank you for watching.